Spherical mirror. So what is a spherical mirror? Spherical mirror is basically what you know. It's a curved mirror which is a part of a hollow sphere. आता एक स्पियर घ्या. स्पियर म्हटल्यार खबर आसा तुम्ही धावेक पावल्या. स्पियराक जेन्ना 20% of the sphere जेन्ना तुम्ही कट करता, so that 20% is basically your spherical mirror जाता. So it is a curved mirror which is a part of a hollow sphere. Hollow sphere घेवपाक जाय. So spherical mirrors are of two types. What is it? One will be, as I have explained earlier, one will be a concave mirror and the other will be convex mirror. So let's see first what is concave mirror. Concave. So this is very important. ये cave याद दवरपाचें. Cave म्हळ्यार कितें? गुफा, right? So a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward. Reflecting, so this is very important. Reflecting surface is curved inward towards the source of light. A source of light म्हटल्यार कितें? Yes, अशें from this point to this point light येता पळय. Light comes from this side म्हणटा, but that is a source of light. So this inside part is your reflecting, and वो जो हांगा ग्रे सो कलर आसा पळय, that is your hard surface. So थंय काय रिफ्लेक्शन जावपा ना. So light जेन्ना अशी हेजेर incident जातली and it will reflect back. So that is a concave mirror. So this is light come from this side, okay? This is a reflective surface. This is a pole P. हे सगळं तुमकां मागीर कळटलें. What is P? Focus, center of curvature, principal axis, hard surface. So first just remember what is a concave mirror. That is, its reflecting surface is curved inward. So similar way, next you have convex mirror. So opposite of concave is convex mirror. Convex mirror कितें म्हळ्यार वो mirror आसा पळय उलटा कर. So this becomes your reflecting surface. हांगा कशें आसलें? हांगा असो आसलो पळय reflecting surface. So हांगा कसो आसा reflecting surface? This side. So when light comes from this side and it will reflect back. So the spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward. So हेजे कितें curve भायर गेल्या पळय. So that is called as curve outward. Again this is your hard surface. आता आमी पळोवया हेजे मिनिंग कितें तें पळोवया. पोल, फोकस, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर म्हटल्यार कितें, प्रिन्सिपल एक्सिस म्हटल्यार कितें, 2f and everything that we will see in the next slide. The term used in the study of spherical mirror. So you have the same diagram, okay? So this is what kind of a mirror it is? It is a concave mirror, whereas this is your convex mirror. Now the first point here is we'll see what is the center of curvature, and we denote it by letter C. So center of curvature, the center of the sphere of which the mirror is a part, it is denoted by C. The center of the sphere of which mirror is a part. So this is the center of a sphere. तुम्ही आता वो पहिला, this is just a 20% of the hollow sphere. So वो actually समज असो full समज sphere असलेलो असो full, then this will be the center. From this will be the center, that is the center of a sphere. So what if this is a sphere, असो समज sphere असा, जाल्यार वो स्पियरचो सेंटर कितें जातलो? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. सो दॅट इज दॅट पॉइंट. आतां मागीर सो वो स्पियर आसा पळय, स्पियराक समज हाफ कट केलो, सो जाल्यार तुका कितें मेळटलो? कॉन्केव मिरर मेळटलो. सो एंड वी डिनोट इट बाय लेटर C. So the center of sphere, best example of hollow sphere is you can take a ball. तुमचो क्रिकेट टेनिस बॉल आसा पळय तो. टेनिस बॉलाक 20% कट केल्यार तो बारीकसो पार्ट मेळटलो पळय, दॅट विल बी अ कॉन्केव मिरर. The part will be the reflecting surface, and below the yellow color part is that is your hard surface. Best example. The next is pole. Pole म्हटल्यार कितें? हांगा मार्क केला पळय pole. What is a pole? Center of the spherical mirror. आता what is a spherical mirror आसा पळय, वो spherical mirrorचा center. This is a spherical mirror, right? वो spherical mirrorचा center कितें? Exactly half you can say. So that point is called as pole, and we denote it by P. The third point is the radius of curvature. What is the meaning of radius of curvature? Radius of curvature म्हटल्यार कितें? radius of the sphere of which the mirror is a part. It is denoted by r and it is the distance between the pole and the center of curvature. So आता पया center of curvature म्हटलं की if this is a spherical sphere, hollow sphere, then this is the center. So from center to the pole, half of the full thing becomes a diameter, then this half becomes C to P becomes, from C to P becomes a radius of that curvature. So radius of curvature we denote it as by r, and we define it again as radius of the sphere of which the mirror is a part. It is denoted by r. It is the distance between pole and the center of curvature, Cp. From the pole to the center of curvature becomes a radius of curvature. Similar thing applies to the convex mirror. So pole remains the same, that is the basically half of the spherical mirror. Center of curvature, again if this is the sphere, then this becomes the center of curvature, and the distance from the P to C becomes your radius of curvature. Now there is marking kela x and y. X and y. So what is that xy? That xy is nothing but the principal axis. Principal axis म्हटल्यार कितें axis तुमका खबर आसा, x y axis खबर आहा, y x axis खबर आहा. So similarly this is xy, a straight line passing through the center of curvature and the pole. The line which passing through this CP, the straight line, that axis is nothing but the principal axis, and as it is denoted as x and y, here also x and आता पळय. सो आम्ही हांगा कितें पयले, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर म्हटल्यार कितें ते पयले, पोल म्हटल्यार पयले, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस म्हटल्यार कितें. Now we will see what is a focus. Okay, so the fifth point is your principal focus. So principal focus म्हटल्यार कितें पळय, this f, f दिसता पळय, this f is same as over here, point. So these are the parallel rays, these are the incident rays. The ray of light parallel, it incidents on the reflecting surface. This is a concave mirror, and after reflection that ray of light passes through the f, that is focus. Similarly the second incident ray, after reflecting it will pass through f. Similarly this आता e line is third line, after reflection where it will reflect, since it is on the principal axis, it will reflect back in the same direction. So as a reflection zatlo same direction. Then the fourth line, after reflection it will pass through f, and this also after reflection it will pass through f. So that point is called as principal focus. Now see the definition. In a concave mirror, the ray of light parallel to the principal axis. Now what is principal axis? E line. This is what is your principal axis, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 are your ray of light, parallel ray of light. So rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection meet at a point on the principal axis. So right ni after reflection koi melta de at a point on the principal axis, and that point is called as principal focus. Correct? Principal focus म्हटल्यार कितें, जेन्ना ray of light असता पळय, after reflection all the ray of light after reflection when it meet at one particular point on the principal axis is called as principal focus. Now similar way we'll see to the convex mirror. At the convex mirror कितें जाता ते पळय. Again this is a principal axis, 1, 2, 3, 4 is your parallel ray of light. आता पळय ही e line आसा पळय, first e जेन्ना incident जाता on a reflecting surface, since it is curved outwards it will not reflect inside, whereas खंय reflect जाता तो reflect जावन खंय तरी भायर वयतलो, असो वयर गेलो पळय reflect जावन. Similarly वो reflect जावन असो भायर गेलो, but this it will be on the same line because it is on the principal axis, whereas this also it will come back, reflect back, this will also reflect back, but it will not meet at f here, but it will meet here. So when you I've already explained you all what are this line called as dotted line. That dotted line these are called as virtual rays. Okay, not actually intersecting, but it intersect, virtually intersects, right? So we'll see the definition. In a convex mirror, ray of light parallel to the principal axis get diverged. anga diverge jale pay. These are diverged. Okay, diverged after reflection and appears to come from a point on the principal axis behind the mirror. When you draw this virtual rays, it will meet at one particular point at f only. Anga jor yala anga jitlo distance asa pay titloch virtual f anga या side. So that f, this distance, and from this point to this point f distance is same, but in convex mirror it will meet over here. So ray of light parallel to the principal axis get diverged after reflection, appears to come from a point on the principal axis behind the mirror. So behind the mirror here, that is called as principal focus in convex mirror, whereas here it will meet here. That is a principal focus in concave mirror. They are two different things. Now the sixth point, the focal length, I already explained you, right? So this distance and from here to here distance is a focal length. Now we'll see the definition. The distance between the pole and the principal focus. Distance between the pole and the principal focus. Principal is because this is the principal line. This is the focus, principal focus. So point P to F is called as your focal length. In spherical mirror, the radius of curvature is twice the focal length. This is very important for exam. Calculation करपाक हे sure shot use जाता. Question आसतले find the radius of curvature, find the focal length, find the f. That so ते find करपाक तुमका हे formula खबर आसपाक जाय. That is r. R is what? Radius of curvature is equals to 2 times f. So this 2 times f. So this distance and this distance is same. From C to F and from F to P is basically 2 times f. And from C to P is what? Radius of curvature, right? CP. CP is what is the radius of curvature. So this is one f and this is another f, so becomes 2f. So from that you can find f, that is r by 2. So it's very easy to calculate, correct? Radius of curvature जेव्हा तुम्ही half करता, you will get the focal length.